How to install Uber app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on search. So after click on search, click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard and search Uber. So you will see Uber is here, so click on Uber. So if you want to install Uber, so click on install. So after click on install, you will see your app is installed according to your internet connection. So few seconds later, you will see your app is installed. So you will see your app is installed 58%. So you will see few seconds later app is installed. So after the process, you will see app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen and go to app library, and you will see after installing Uber app, you will see Uber app is showing on home screen. So if you want to use, so click on app and you will use Uber app from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Uber app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.